All right, I'm back. I got this thing. You'd think that a 3D printer would have printed an adapting mount thing, but no, not me. I'm gonna use good old painter's tape, and we'll stick it on there. But I want to just test the field of vision here, so you guys can stare at where the magic happens. Right? That's what we want. Yeah, good enough. One of these days, I will print something that works as an adapter, but not today. Today, just gonna throw this on there like that. Oh, you can still use a touch screen even when you've got painter's tape going on. How do I do this? Let's do that. Cool. All right, you're set up. So, yeah, you've got this huge thing, big old gantry. It's got the cable chain. It's got a. I've seen complaints that this breaks the Bowden type release, but mine seems to be on there pretty solid. And we've also got filament run out, so that's great. Anyway, this all came pre-attached. Careful, dude. Don't knock it over, okay? Dad's recording a video for the internet, so we can be internet famous. Because that's what's important in life, right? That's what you teach your kids. So anyway, this thing is here, and this is really strong. Like, it's together. This is nice and loose, though. Okay, so it looks like, let me get behind the camera so I can see what I'm showing you guys. It looks like this bit here, this corner piece, this whole bracket is made out of plastic. And there's some play in there. I think that's by design, because on my Net A8, you know, there's idiots that print these things that make it jam on them and things like that, but you want it to have some play in there. But that's nice that it keeps it from wobbling around a lot, especially on something this long. So that's nice. So very cool. Gonna sit this right there for now.
That's you're gonna have water. Okay.
Now let's get this out. So I don't know where to start. Looks like this was on there really tight as well. I'll bring the thing over here so you guys can see. This is your Y belt. It's really big, and this is really solidly on there, but it's a shame because it looks like it was really tight the whole time it was sitting in the warehouse, and then after it got shipped and sitting in there. So that's kind of my only complaint so far, and it's just that it's going to be a bit of an inconvenience for having to tighten the stuff, but you have to do that anyway over time. But it is kind of an inconvenience out of the box to have to possibly do that. That's scary. Yeah, let's just leave it like that. Hopefully it doesn't tip over. Put some weight in the box. Alright, let's get this out of here. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's heavy. Oh wow. So I ordered with 2.5 kilograms. This is what I get. It's definitely not 2.5 kilograms. That's not even a kilogram. That's dishonest. Come on, AnyCubic. Maybe there's more underneath, I hope. No. Nothing underneath. Just the power bits and everything. So yeah, that sucks. I ordered my printer. It was supposed to come with 2.5 kilograms, and it came with what looks like 500 grams of PLA. So that's really crappy. That's just really dishonest. Like, I don't care. But at least, like, don't falsely advertise to your customers. Alright. Let's Let's move all this out of the way. Set this down. All right, let's cut her open. So we've got a really cool bed on here. Lift the whole thing. There's that. Holy crap. Here's your plate. Really big. I've got it all unboxed. I'm gonna take all this tape off. And yeah, man, that's it. For some of you, you're watching this and you're probably like, dude, this guy's an idiot. He couldn't get his ET5 to work. He's not used to these newer machines. All he's got is a Net A8. And that's me. You know, I've only ever had an Net A8. And it's been a ton of fun. And it's been enough to make me want to get a second printer. But if you're going to advertise on your company, on your website, when you order, that you can get a printer and have it come with 2.5 kilograms or a kilogram. If somebody vouches for 2.5, don't send them half. That's really disappointing. Like, I was really looking forward to, like, out of the box, getting some of the filament that came with it and printing like a massive vase or something. But now I'm gonna print a dinky little thing, and that's not gonna be able to show off what this do with its insane build volume. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna have to turn this around like probably people have seen in other videos. Everything is really strapped in. That's kind of the thing that I really wanted to just focus this video on, because I'm going to do multiple parts. I just wanted to see and show everyone what it's like straight out of the box. So that doesn't budge. It looks like there's a clear wrap on the bed. Everything is extremely well packaged. Now on the, I don't know what this is, the end switch? Is that an end switch I'm poking at? Yeah, that's an end switch. So the end switch is hot glued on there. Not really sure how I feel about that, since these parts have a tendency to heat up a lot. So that has me actually a little worried, but I mean, we'll see. There's already motor dampers on the Y axis, which is awesome, especially for a Cartesian style that's this big. So that's actually really cool. And looks like the only thing that wasn't hot glued is this plug and maybe some of this other stuff, but Bowden tube and all that other stuff, it seems to have been really well packaged. And so yeah, I'll probably get my setup again on the tripod and grab something to sit on and start putting this thing together with more hands-on commentary, right? So pretty awesome. I do think a nice touch that right off the bat it's telling us the suggested bed temperature for different materials. Of course everything's in Chinese, but you know what, that's okay. That's what we get. But yeah, I don't know what number 1, number 2, number 3 is. Before assembly, please use pliers to cut the zip ties. Well, that makes sense. But yeah, I'm gonna crack open this bag and start checking out the instructions in the next video. And so far I'm super excited. This looks really great, but I am let down. I am let down that I got cheaped out on my filament. That's lame. Like, that's really lame. I'm gonna go back online and double check my order to see if, because I'm pretty sure that in the drop down menu it said a kilogram or 2.5 kilograms, but maybe it was only 0.5 kilograms, because if that's the case, that's just my bad for misunderstanding. But I'm gonna totally go online and double check my order to see what that was, because that's a shame. I do have a couple concerns that I didn't notice right away. But this is all plastic down here. At least it's a plastic coating on something else, but I'm pretty sure, well, I don't want to do that to you guys who are watching. I'm pretty sure that this whole stand in each corner, this is just one giant plastic thing, which isn't bad, but I am worried about vibration. So I might get some double-sided tape and just never undo the bottom one and just stick it up on top underneath to get some jelly stuff underneath there, like these vibration dampers. Which makes me wonder, does the X motor have a motor damper on it as well? Looks like it does not. So they put one on their Y, but they didn't put one. They put one on the Y, but they didn't put one on the X motor. So that's a shame. But hopefully it's really quiet. And if not, that's okay. It's a 3D printer. They get loud. But yeah, this is very excited. Time to stop this video and start another one somewhere.